So Mac wants 130 power stroke, 130 inlet stroke, and so on out of the wing cam. So we'll just retime it because they wanted more power out of the wing cam. They didn't want full power. Full power is too much. So we'll give it more power, but 130 inlet duration and 130 power stroke duration. So anyway, here we go. So we time it. We time it. 115 degrees after top dead center, the inlet lobe center line. So that's the top dead center. 115 degrees after top dead center, inlet lobe center line. Inlet lobe center line. And we go about there. So that's 130 power stroke. Actually, that's about 180 power stroke, and so that's about that's zero overlap, and that's 180 exhaust stroke, and that's about as you see 130 intake stroke, and 180 compression stroke. Would you agree with that? Computer agrees. There you go.